So, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna open.
Nhớ trên cổ mà, trên cổ mà. English. Let's open this.
Let's open this. It's so hard to open. Elephant. Her hair's real sparkly.
Yes, con mà. Oh, it's so cute.
Look, it is a little monkey with this elephant. And there's no tomatoes going. On to the cat now. Bird. Texas. It is a little birdie. Look at that. Look, it is a little, I don't know what it is. Look, it is very, very cute. Now on to the puppies now. Everyone has like hair. Look, it is a little pink. It is a little pink cat with brown hair. Look, it's a yellow cat with brown hair. Okay, that's all.